Hey guys, welcome back. It's so good to see you again. Today, we're in Plantation, Florida, and this is truly a home that you won't want to miss. Located just 8 miles west of Fort Lauderdale Riverwalk, 15 minutes from the airport, and not one, not two, but 3 different golf courses to choose from, less than 10 minutes away. So let's get started. My name is Michael Valencia. I'm one of the best realtors in Florida with Lamacchia Realty, and this is Living in South Florida. Before we head in, I'm gonna ask you to please tap that bell for notifications, like this video, and subscribe so you can be the first to know of any new videos or any new properties that are hitting the market. I'll wait. Ready? Let's go. Okay guys, seriously, what an honor for me to bring you one of the largest homes by square feet in the community. Built in 1976, this home has almost 2,800 square feet of living space. It's 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths, and a split plan for those seeking privacy or in need of a quiet workspace. The living room and dining room are located in the heart of the home, and it's meant to be a gathering place with enough room to entertain, eat, play, and relax with a clear view of the pool. Now for the true selling point of the home, let's check out the amazingly remodeled backyard. The travertine pavers are a natural stone that will always remain cool even when blasted by the Florida summer sun. The pool measures 15 by 30 and the covered terrace is ideal for parties and large gatherings. The kitchen is spacious, complemented with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a breakfast nook, a pantry, and a serving window overlooking the terrace and pool. Right off the kitchen, we have the laundry room, access to the garage, and a second living room that can be used as an in-law suite, also with access to the pool. Walk with me to the other side of the home and you'll see the other 4 bedrooms. 3 rooms that are larger than most rooms nowadays offer you plenty of space. And the rooms will share the 3rd bathroom with a cabana door leading into the covered terrace. Finally, the primary suite has ample room for everything you need. Oversized walk-in closet right off the primary bath that has dual sinks and a stand-up shower, and also with direct access to the pool. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to move to South Florida, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of the information is in the description below so we can help you make a smooth move to South Florida.